Hello, this is Kathleen and Stefano at Stefano's Espresso Care. Today we're going to demonstrate how to reset a thermostat on a La Pavoni lever machine. Note that prior to the mid to late 90s, the Pavoni factory installed brass and copper elements which did not have a resettable thermostat. When they switched to the stainless steel element, they also switched to a resettable thermostat which is bolted on the heating element base directly under the boiler. The first step is to unplug the machine and reach the thermostat inside the base. You may want to empty the boiler prior to proceeding, but be sure to fill it back up before engaging the element. Many Pavonis with a factory-installed resettable thermostat also have an access hole with a rubber plug on the ABS base directly under the element. If you cannot locate that hole, you will need to remove the ABS base, either by a screw threading downward from under the plastic drip tray or a screw threading upward from the ABS base beneath the drip tray area. Note that some of these screws are Torx security screws and require a special key to open them. We offer both the keys and replacement Phillips head screws on our website. Once you've accessed the resettable thermostat, either through the access hole or by removing the ABS base, you simply need to gently press the reset button with the tip of a screwdriver or a pencil eraser. Prior to replacing the ABS base, you may want to test the machine to see if it heats. Be sure to fill the boiler with enough water to cover the element prior to plugging it back in and turning the machine on. When you do replace the ABS base, be sure to match up the slot and tab so it installs properly. If this does not solve the issue, you'll need a multimeter and some knowledge of how electricity works to proceed. Thank you for watching, and parts are available at espressocare.com.